Hello and welcome to this lesson called Animal Body Parts in Afrikaans. After you have finished this lesson, you should be able to name some body parts of animals, birds and fish. There will be no revision for this lesson. There also won't be a word list for this lesson. First, we will look at some body parts of the rhino, renoster. Staart, tail. Horings, horns. Hoof, Vel, skin. Next, we will look at some body parts of a cat. Kat. Staart, tail. Poot, paw. Pels, fur. Snorbaarde, whiskers. Snoet, snout. Back, mouth. Snoet can also be called neus, nose, and back can also be called mond, mouth. Never call a human's mouth a back. It is very, very rude. And then also the eyes and the ears are the same as it is for humans. Eyes, oë, and ears, ore. Next, we will look at some body parts of a bird. Voël. Snavel, beak. Vlerk, wing. Vere, feathers. And now we will look at some body parts of the fish. Vis, fin. And in English it's not much different. Fin. Kiewe, gills. You can't really see the scales on this fish, so I added a smaller picture so that you can see the scales. Skubbe, scales. Activiteit, activity. Noem die meervoud van die volgende woorde. Noem die meervoud van die volgende woorde. Name the plural form of the following words. Staart, poot, vlerk, fin. Noem die enkelvoud van die volgende woorde. Noem die enkelvoud van die volgende woorde. Name the singular form of the following words. Snorbaarde, skubbe. Horings, vere. Let's have a look at your answers. Antwoorde. Meervoud van. Plural form of. Staart. Staarte. Poot. Pote. Vlerk. Vlerke. Vin. Vinne. Enkelvoud van. Singular form of. Snorbaarde. Snorbaard. Skibbe. Skip. Horings. Horing. Vere. Veer. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next lesson.